Hey y'all, I'm back. So today is Sunday, and on Sunday I get free stuff. So I'm on my way into CVS. Let me see if y'all can see. I think I'm gonna get some baby items today. The Huggies are on sale. I'm really not gonna do a lot of couponing. I'm going to CVS. I'm taking you with me couponing today. Again, on Sunday I get free stuff. Let's go. Let me. Okay, so my first deal, I'm gonna do the cash card deal. I'm gonna grab, well, I already grabbed the actual 100 fluid ounces. This is the cash card deal. Spend 30, get 10. 12, the 16 ounce sound pod. Okay, so again, I'm hosting a party, so I'm going to buy the 3 for $10 7-Up. I have a $3 off 10 CVS coupon, so it's gonna make them 3 for $7. All right, the next item I'm gonna get is the Pringles. They're on sale, 2 for $3, and it's part of also the cash card deal, so I'm gonna get 2 of them. I like the cheddar cheese Pringles, so I'm gonna get 1 of these and the salt and vinegar. I like the salt and vinegar Pringles also. So I'm gonna get these 2 Pringles and then off to the other aisle. Okay, the next item I'm gonna get is the Chips Ahoy. They're on sale, 2 for $6. I'm gonna get 2 packs of Chips Ahoy, 2 for $6. All right, so the next thing I'm getting is the Doritos. They're on sale, buy 1 get 1 free. Let me see. I'm just gonna get 2 bags of Doritos. Buy 1 get 1 free. Alright, so the next deal I'm getting is the Huggies. They're on sale this week. Buy 2 get a $5 extra care buck. They're on sale, 2 for $20. I'm gonna get 2 packs of Huggies. I have 2 $3 off coupons. Let me see if I can find them. $3 off coupon. And then I have a 3 off 12 CRTs. So I'm gonna get a total of $9 taken off. I gotta pay $11 out of pocket, and then I get a $5 extra care butt, making them deal. And then I got one more deal to do, and then it's time to get up out of CVS, honey. Yes. Okay, this is my haul from CVS. I got 2 Colgate toothpaste. They on sale for $2.99 a piece, and they give back a $2 extra care buck. So if you buy 2 of them, it'll be $6. I got a $1 off 5, and then I got $1 off coupon. I can't find a second coupon, so I'm just gonna use what I got. So that'll make these free after the extra care buck. I have 2 Revlon lip balms. They're $6.29 a piece. That makes them about $13. I got a $5 off coupon. That makes them 8. And then I'm gonna pair that with these 2. The True Match L'Oreal Paris. So I have a coupon for buy 1 get 1 free. And then I have 2 coupons. At CVS you can use a coupon on a free item. So I have 2 coupons for $4 off L'Oreal Palette Paris cosmetic face product. And then I also have a $3 off 12 that I'm going to use. The next deal I got is this soap, liquid hand soap. It's $1 off. It's $1.99 on sale this week. $1 off, 99 cents, and then you get a $1 extra care buck. Here's the Pampers deal. They're on sale, 2 for $20 this week. I got a 3 off 12 on CRT, and I have 2 $3 off coupons. So it's gonna take $9 off the $20. I'm gonna owe $11 out of pocket, and then I'm gonna get a $5 extra care buck. So it's gonna take $9 off. I'm gonna have to pay $11 out of pocket, and I'm gonna get a $5 extra care buck from the $11. My Tresemme deal is 2 for $10. I got a coupon for $2.50 off each one. And then I have this CRT for $2 off on any shampoo or conditioner. So you all can take $5 off and take $2 off, so they're gonna be $3 out of pocket. And then I'm getting a $2 extra care butt, making them 50 cents a piece. All right, so that's my haul for today. All right, so this is my haul from CVS. I'm gonna walk through every transaction that I did. So the first transaction I did was the 2 Tresemme and the 2 packs of Pampers. 2 packs of Pampers. Okay, so the Huggle Snug and Dry, they were on sale this week at CVS, 2 for $20. I had a 2 $3 off coupons that took off $6. I had a, let me see, I had a 3 off 12 that took off another $3. So that took off a total of $9. I paid $11 out of pocket for the Huggies, and then I got back a $5 gift card. I'm sorry, I got back a $5 extra care card. So that make my out of pocket $6 or $3 per pack. I also bought in this first transaction the Tresemme. The Tresemme was on sale this week at CVS, 2 for $10. The Tresemme, I had two $2.50 coupons off each one. Then I had a $3 off 15 for your next order. Then I had a $2 off hair care. So 2 for 10, take off 5. That made them 2 for $5. Then I had a $2 off hair care. So that made them 2 for $3. That made them 2 for $3. All right, so this is how my transaction looked. I walked into CVS with a $10 extra care buck, so I used that. My out-of-pocket cost was $1. My subtotal was $1. And then I got back again. I got back a $5 extra care buck for the Huggies. And then I turned around and also got $2 back for the Tresemme. And y'all already know, I'm rolling extra care bucks, because who want to pay all this money out of pocket? Nobody. So I took that $7 and I rolled it into my next deal. My next deal was this right here. This Revlon deal. All right, so the Revlon was spend 10, get a $4 extra care buck. All right, so I bought these two. These are $6.29 a piece. So that came out to be like $12.60. And then I also bought this True Match. I had a buy one foundation, get a second foundation free. So I bought the True Match. Okay, so this is my second transaction. I had a buy one, get one free for the True Match, and then I had 2 $4 off coupons. And this is how my receipt looked. My 2 $4 off coupons came off for the True Match foundation. My buy one, get one free, they bogus. It took off $7.99 instead of the $11.99, because the True Match was $11.99 a piece. I had a $5 off any Revlon cosmetic that printed for me last week, so I used that. I had a 3 off 12 cosmetics. I used the $7 extra care bucks that I got from my previous transaction. My subtotal out of pocket, $5.57. And from this transaction, I got back the L'Oreal, which was spend 15, get 5. So I got a $5 extra care buck from the L'Oreal. And then I got my $4 back from the Revlon. So that made it what? Free, baby. Free. So this transaction also was free. The Huggies and the Tresemme, after extra bucks, it was $1. I mean, after my coupons and my extra bucks, my out of pocket was $1. And again, I told you I got back a total of $7. So that transaction was free. This transaction was also free. So I took the $9 from this transaction and I did this transaction. So this transaction, this on sale this week, the Colgate was buy one, get a $2 extra care buck. You could do this deal 2 times. So I bought 2 of the Colgate. They were on sale for $2.99 a piece. So I spent $6 out of pocket. I had $1 off $5 toothpaste, so that took off $1. And I had a $1 manufacturer coupon, so that also took off $1. So so there were $6. $2 came off, which made them 4. And then I got a $4 extra buck back for each one. So that made these free. The soft soap was on sale this week for $1.99. We got printed a $1 coupon this week. It came out the red box, a $1 coupon off any soft soap. So it took $1 off, making this 99 cents. And then I got a $1 extra care buck back. So that made that free. All right, so this is how my receipt look. The Colgate $2.99, $2.99, and then the soft soap $1.99. My manufacturer coupon for the toothpaste went off $5 for the toothpaste, $1 off for the select soft soap, and then it adjusted my $5 extra care buck down because my out-of-pocket expense was 0. So this whole transaction was what? It was free. All right, so I took the extra care buck I got back from that was the Colgate. Again, I got 4 back for the Colgate. I'm sorry, I got 2 back for the Colgate. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry, I got 4 back from the Colgate. And then I got $1 back from the soft soap. So I still got a I still got a $4 extra buck left. And then I still got a $5 extra buck left. All right, so I took that and I rolled it into my cash card deal. All right, so let me show y'all what I got on my cash card. Okay, so with the cash card deal, I got the 2 Pringles. I like cheddar cheese Pringles. I got the 2 things of Chips Ahoy. I got 2 things of Chips Ahoy. I got the Tide Pod. I got the Big Tide. Fresh Coral Blast. I never smelled that. Well, let me smell it now. Well, I ain't got time. It's hard holding a phone and recording at the same time. But I'll let y'all know how it smells. Fresh Coral Blast. And then I bought 2 bags of Doritos. So the reason why I got more is because I went back today and got some more Doritos. But for this cash card, I bought 2 bags of Doritos. Okay, this had all panned out. The Doritos are on sale. Buy one, get one free. The Tide, the Big Tide is on sale $11.94. The Tide Pods on sale $4.94. The Chips Ahoy is on sale 2 for $6. And then, oh, I forgot. On this order, I did purchase the 3 for $10 7-Up, but those are in the car because, honey, a sister wasn't on that. And then she only rang up 1 Pringles. She didn't see the other Pringles, so the second Pringles is on another receipt. So, but I got 2 Pringles. She just had to ring the second one up. All right, on my app, I had a $3 off tag coupon. I had a $2 off tag coupon. I had a 3 off any food that came off. $3 off any food that you buy. I had a $3 off 12 laundry that came off. And then I had a $2 off on $8 worth of snacks. I spent way over $8 worth of snacks. I had a $1 beauty buck. My out-of-pocket was $23.05. Again, this is from a different account. So that's all I had on this account was a $3 extra care buck. So I didn't have any other extra care bucks on this account. So I used that. My out-of-pocket expense for this deal was $23.05. And then I got a $10 extra care buck back. So that made all that stuff I just showed you $13.05 after the extra care buck. Okay? All right, so that's my haul. potato chips again. I already bought 2. So today I picked up 4 more with my other account because it's buy one, get one free. So I picked up 4 more bags of Doritos because they were out of them. So I got to go back today and pick up some more bags of Doritos. Okay. So that's the end of my haul. This is my CVS haul for the week. I think I did pretty good. Everything was pretty much free except for my cash card deal. I paid about $13 out of pocket after the cash card. So I would say, I guess for this haul, I paid $13 out of pocket for everything. Also, I got back a quarter back on Fetch Rewards. Then I got back $1.25 on Fetch Rewards for the Tresemme. So I got back $1.50 back. So I spent $11.50 out of pocket after Fetch Rewards for all these things. All right, that's the end of my CVS haul. Make sure you stay tuned on Tuesday for my Trick Off Tuesday haul. I got a lot of good items, honey. I can't wait to show y'all what I got. I'm talking about I almost lost my wig up in the Dollar Tree and all this stuff this week. So I have a great Dollar Tree haul for y'all tomorrow. See you in the next video. Hecky no, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.